Hi guys, so if you want to reset your PC without losing files in your PC, you can easily do it because this is the last solution for all kind of Windows problems. It resets it to factory settings, and it also do not deletes your files in the system. So let's do it. Just click on Start button, click on gear shift icon. Now once this opens up, you have to go to Update and Security. Now, in the left menu, click on Recovery, click on Get Started in the Reset This PC section. Now, here they have two options: keep my files, remove everything. So, if you want to keep my files, keep your files, choose this. And if you want to remove everything, if you don't have any important files and you want to start totally afresh, choose this. But in my case, if you want to keep file, this is the option which you want to choose. Now finally click on reset, and it will start the reset process for your PC, and it will reset your PC to the factory settings. That's it guys, please do